Hello, folks. These are my top apps for new computers. First, the free. You have Revo Uninstaller for completely removing programs from your computer that you no longer want and removing leftover files. Glary Utilities, which is many useful apps to keep your computer running clean, which is registry cleaners and file and delete and different apps for your computer. Bandicam, game recording software. Now, Revo Uninstaller, Glary Utilities, and Bandicam are free versions, but if you like the program, you could buy the professional version, which will open up all the functions of these programs. Then we have Steam, which is a gaming site where you can get free games and you can buy games. And we have Origin, which is another gaming site where you can buy games. Virtual DJ, which is music software for DJing your favorite selections. Then we have Apache OpenOffice, which is a free word processing, spreadsheet, and presentation software. Audacity, music editing software. EaseUS Total Backup, which is a free backup software. Samsung Keys, which is Samsung phone software for your Samsung phone, and Apple iTunes, which is iPhone software for your Apple iPhone. We have FreeMake Video Downloader for downloading videos off YouTube and the web later for your use. VLC, which is a free video and media player. Google Chrome, internet browser. Firefox, another free internet browser. Any video converter for converting your music and video files into different formats for your use. Then we have the Tor browser, which is a virtual private network for exploring the deep web. We have Handbrake, which is a video transcoder for converting video into different formats more professionally. QuickTime, which is a video and media player made by Apple. A shampoo registry cleaner for cleaning your registry. uTorrent, which is a torrent file downloader for downloading torrent files. And FreeMake Video Converter, another video converter for your MP3 and MP4 files into different formats. Top paid, Adobe Photoshop. Need we say more? Macrium Reflect Standard, which is excellent backup software for backing up your computer in case of failure, and has an excellent recovery section in case you run into serious problems. Camtasia Studio, which is video creating and screen recording software. Action, excellent game recording and screen recording software. OpenCloner, DVD cloning software for backing up your DVDs. Top paid, Wondershare Filmora, video editing and creating software. Adobe After Effects, digital visual effects and motion graphics used by professional filmmakers. A Shampoo Burning Studio, DVD burning and copying software. And Cisco WebEx, video conferencing and webinar software for your video conferencing needs. And those are my top picks for new computers today. Thank you.